Isomerism. Isomerism in which the compound have same molecular formula but different chemical and physical properties. For that example, butane and isopropane. It is further divided into two parts. First is structural. It is further divided into two parts. First is structural isomerism and second is stereo isomerism. First, structural isomerism. Structural isomerism. These types of isomerism show same molecular formula but different in carbon chain structure. For that example, pentane. Pentane and its structural isomer is isobutane and neopentane. Pentane, isopentane and neopentane. That is called structural isomer. Second isomerism is position isomerism. Second structural isomerism is position isomerism. In this type or of isomerism, the compound have same molecular formula but different in a position of functional group and carbon-carbon multiple bond. For that example, propanol and first is propanol and second is propane to all. That is positional isomers. One of another example is CH3, CH2, CH2 double bond CH, but 1 in, but 2 in. That is the position isomer. And another example is in a aromatic compounds. Meta dichlorobenzene, benzene. It is called ortho and second is called meta dichlorobenzene, chlorobenzene and para dichlorobenzene. These are position isomers. Fourth is in isomerism, structural isomerism is Sorry, third is functional group isomerism. In these types of isomerism, the compound have same molecular formula but different in functional group. One is another functional group and second is another have another functional group. That is called functional group isomerism, and it is also in structural isomerism. For that example, ethanol and its functional group isomerism is methoxymethane. That these are functional group isomerism. Fourth is fourth structural isomerism is our known as metamerism. In this type of isomerism, the molecular the compound have same molecular formula but different position of carbon atom both side of functional group but different. In this type of isomerism, the compound have same molecular formula but different both side of functional group as a carbon chain alkyl group but different both side of functional group in a carbon chain means alkyl group. For that example, propane methanol is known as pentane 2 on, and it is known as pentane 3 on, pentane 3 on. That is also known as metamers of each other. Ethoxyethane and it have its isomer known as methoxy. This is also metamers of each other. The fifth type of isomerism is known as tautomerism. In this types of isomerism is a special isomerism because it have a dynamic equilibrium barium with compounds atom. In this type of isomerism, both atom change her them place together. For that example, propanol, prop 1 in 2 on all. That is the metamers of each other. In this type of isomerism, alpha hydrogen is necessary for changing the position of atoms.